At a launch event held in China last night, Vivo finally unveiled its latest flagship, which offers significant improvements over the previous generation. And as a more affordable option, the specifications of the standard version of the VIVO X18 are very tempting, as it is one of the few compact flagship options currently available. As rumored, Vivo is trying to merge the standard and Pro Mini variants from the previous generation. It seems that this was done so that Vivo could bring the compact flagship experience to more regions, considering that the Vivo X18 Pro Mini is only available in its country of origin. And the price of the Vivo X18 can be made cheaper, even though its specifications have improved, including in terms of its camera. Currently, few smartphone manufacturers offer flagship models with screen sizes around 6.3 inches, aside from Apple and Samsung, which continue to release compact flagship devices. So, what makes the Vivo X18 specifications appealing? Let's break it down one by one. In launching the Vivo X30 series, Vivo collaborated with quite a number of well-known third parties, ranging from MediaTek, BOE, and even Samsung. This exclusive collaboration with these parties is aimed at optimizing the specifications of the Vivo X30, not only in terms of software, but also in terms of hardware. For example, the collaboration with Samsung has enabled Vivo to feature the ISOCELL HPB200M sensor in both the Vivo X30 and X30 Pro. The difference is that while the Pro variant uses it for a periscope, the 200-megapixel HPB sensor is embedded as the main sensor of the Vivo X30, which was previously 50 megapixels. This sensor is an exclusive design, also embedding Vivo Blue image technology and carrying a large 1.4-inch sensor. This allows the Vivo X30 to present a number of new features, such as AI Storyteller, aka portrait photos in the highest resolution. In addition to the main sensor, the periscope telephoto sensor has also been updated with a 50-megapixel Sony LYT602 sensor that supports Vivo VCS technology. Zoom quality has been further improved, and it supports multifocal portrait snapshot for taking portraits from various distances. Meanwhile, the other two sensors, namely the ultra-wide and selfie cameras, are now both 50 megapixels and support autofocus. In this latest generation, Vivo has improved its portrait algorithm for face colors and textures, resulting in more natural hair details in portrait mode. Vivo is also serious about improving its video recording quality, with the Vivo X30 now featuring Stage Mode that supports resolutions up to 4K, Dual-View Stage Video for recording videos from both sides, front and rear, and 4K 120fps Pro Video. So what else has been improved in the Vivo X30 compared to the previous Pro Mini? Of course, the latest Dimensity 9500 3nm chip, which was also designed in collaboration with MediaTek, complete with a special V3 chip to assist photo and video processing algorithms. RAM options are available up to 16 GB with 1 TB of internal storage. Vivo also continues to develop its exclusive Blue Volt battery technology, which is claimed to perform better with lower hardware temperatures during use. And in its compact body, the Vivo X30 is powered by a 6040 mAh battery, an increase from the previous mere 5700 mAh. It still supports 90-watt flash charging plus 40-watt wireless charging. With the above improvements to the VIVO X300 specifications, the smartphone body can even be made slightly smaller, especially in terms of thickness, which is only 7.99 millimeters. This smartphone is available in 4 different colors, weighs 190 grams, uses front and rear glass surfaces, an aluminum frame, and carries IP69 certification. The flash on the back has also been moved to accommodate a much brighter module, which is helpful for night portraits. The screen size remains at 6.31 inches, but the body is slightly smaller thanks to thinner bezels, even compared to the latest iPhone. The screen uses a 120Hz LTPO AMOLED panel with a maximum brightness of up to 4,500 nits. Since it was launched in its home country, it runs Origin OS 6, which is designed to be more compatible with the Apple product ecosystem. It can connect to Apple Watch, AirPods, and even project the screen to an iPad. Interestingly, not only the Pro variant, but also the standard variant supports the teleconverter kit accessory. All specifications of the VIVO X300 are available at a lower price compared to the VIVO X200 Pro Mini, starting at $603, whereas the X200 Pro Mini previously started at $659. Do the specifications of the VIVO X300 make you more interested in the standard variant?